Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue promoting the all-in-one $25 business using my lead gen secrets. Okay, so we are on day 7. Yeah, day 7. So we're gonna continue on with that, and we're gonna see what our results are so far. Did I get a sale yesterday? It looks like I did, but let's refresh and make sure. I did get a sale yesterday. I got $20 sale yesterday.
Nice.
So I can see I made 160. Well, take out $20 of this. I mean $100. I made $60 so far, guys. Promoting this using my lead gen secrets. I can't show y'all in other information, but that's pretty good. All right, $60 so far. All right, so we're gonna continue on doing this. All right, make sure to log in, mailing system, so on and so forth. Make sure you get all the people in your system here. Now we're gonna go to an email. Let's see. That one got a sale too. But I posted the same one. Let's do something else though. Pick a different one. Done and ready to go business pays you 80%. Okay, let's see how well this works. We're gonna just go with this email here. I slowly pan so y'all can see the email if y'all interested in using it. That's about it. That's the whole email. Just keep them short. Short is the way to go, I think. I think short works really well. Basically, you just hype them up through the email and then put your link. I think that's the best way to handle it. Instead of like telling a story sometimes. But some people swear by, a solid email that's talking about a situation and stuff. Some people swear by those types of emails. I think these short ones work better, at least in my lead gen secrets. All right, guys, that's about it. So we're gonna just send an email here. Make sure to click on perfect timing there. Perfect timing does it send an email around the time that people check their emails. So one person might check at 8 a.m., another might 11 p.m. like to check the email. That's when they'll send the emails. All right, so that's been sent, guys. And as you can see, we done already made $60 so far, and that's not $60 one time, guys. If they stay in the system, that's $60 every single month. Every single month, if they stay in the system. That's incredible. That's why I want to promote this product, man, because it's really easy to build an income off of this. And I'm doing it with just one account, guys. Imagine people with 3 accounts, 5 accounts, 10 accounts. In my lead gen secrets accounts, guys. Promoting this 10 times the sales. It won't exactly be 10 times, like 5 or 6 times the sales. Like I got 3 sales, they'll probably have like 10, 12 sales, something like that. If they have solid my lead gen secrets accounts. That's how easy it is to do this, guys. We're making money, man. And we're making it in a very lazy and easy way. This took about 4. Matter of fact, this video is telling me it's been 4 minutes so far. This took 4 minutes to do. That's how quick it took. Well, I'm using an email I already got, but I'm saying all you need to do is copy that email, type it in. It'll probably take you at most 10 minutes. At most 10 minutes. I already showed you the email to type. It's extremely short. You put your link in there, and this is the link you use here, guys. Right here, you use this one. All in one $25 bidding. All right. This product It's amazing. And I think you guys could really build up your income with it. I'm sorry I keep repeating myself, but anyway, guys, all the links are in the description below for my lead gen secrets and also for the all-in-one $25 business. All right, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.